Hi friends, let's solve this problem. It says define the center and radius of the following circle that has this equation. Now we have sketched to aid our understanding. I've sketched this circle and have generated the equation. This is the center. Okay, the vertical component is y minus yc. The horizontal component is x minus xc. So Pythagoras theorem tells us the equation will be of this form. So if the center is the origin, xc will equal to yc will equal to 0. So it reduces to s squared equals r squared equals s squared plus y squared. Okay? What the equation says, we should find what r is in this equation, find what xc is and what yc is. R, our business is find r, xc, and yc. So to do that, we proceed as follows. I rearrange this equation as plus y squared plus 14y equals minus 49. So I will complete the square of these two terms. I complete the square of these two terms. To complete the square simply means you find out what the coefficient of x is, in which case the coefficient of x is minus 6. Then you add the square of half of the coefficient of x to both sides of the equation. Do the same thing for the coefficient of y. To do that, we have x squared minus 6s. The coefficient of x is minus 6. Half of it is minus 3. Then you add the square, okay, to both sides, plus y squared plus 14y. The coefficient of y is 14. Half of it is 7. So you square, you add 7 squared equals minus 49. You add 7 squared is 49 plus 49. You add again, minus 3 squared is 9. Okay? Now, we have this x squared minus 6x minus 3 is 9. Y squared plus 14y. 7 times 7 is 49. Equals 49 minus 49 is 0. Gives us 9. Now, we can factorize this. For amount of time, I will just go ahead and factorize it, because if you look at this, we see that this is x minus 3 squared plus this is y plus 7 squared equals 9. Now, evidently, we've gotten something that is similar to this. You can see that. So when we compare by comparison, r squared is something as 9, xc is something as 3, yc is something as minus 7. So I make comparison. So what we do, we state as follows: xc by comparison, xc equals 3, y equals minus 7, r squared equals 9, making r to be equal to root 9, which is, we know that root 9 is plus or minus 3, but here the radius of the circle cannot be negative. Okay, so we choose the positive value of this radius, and that forms the equation. So the coordinate of the center will be 3 minus 7, and r is 3. I hope this helps somewhat. Thank you very much.